My friend, you have two options. I try to do pick, if no need to drill out, but I try to open without damage. You have two options. Sometimes like it's not complicated lock. Sometimes easy to open, sometimes like complicated
Well, I
to
don't care
drill.
what you do to get it open.
Yeah, it's be flat price to
I
250.
gotta pay storage and stuff on
Yeah,
stuff
it's
like
be
that.
open your doors 250.
It's just, okay, this one's not locked. It's
Okay, no
just
problem.
This one.
It's flat price be 250.
Okay, all right, okay.
Now problem. What problem? You're supposed to be do different way. Now you have special tools like this. Come on. No. Like this. You put like this. Up. Tony Montana down, no play around, huh, bro? To 55 seconds down. Решил заказик, сделать такой замочек. Тиком пару секунд дан, 250, погнали. Что сделали заказ, и самое главное, смотрите, реакция от клиента, когда за 5 секунд открываешь 250, какие реакции от клиента. How was service? Professional, my friend?
Good.
Good?
Excellent.
255 секунд, и человек еще респект тебе улыбается.